see you now.
You see me waving?
Oh, yeah, I do. Hi.
And is it just the one or the two now?
I have two at the moment, just one.
It'll come
No,
open
I got
for
two, but this
you.
on this side is much
Okay,
better.
well, let's get things underway here. Everybody just take a few slow, deep breaths in and slowly out, and just let go of everything. Everything that you've been doing today, going to do tomorrow, and all of that, just let it all go. In this hour that we take, we just veg out and we go empty. Just let it all go. The idea is to help ourselves connect to our right brain. I'm going to take up a color dice into the screen, and you may see it with your mind sight. You may see it with your full-blown seeing the room mind sight. And if you see something, write it down on your board. And Pat, that's the correct number. I'm going to go real close and see if you can get the correct color. Pam, that's correct. That's the color and the number. Sharon's got the color and the number. Artie's got the color and the number. Pat, what is the actual color? Yes, it is. That's the color and the number. Very good. We're going to go with the clock. It's pointing at one of the 12 numbers. Which one is it? As long as you're within 1 hour, that's close enough. And Pam's got it. That's correct. That is the number. Artie's got it.
Forgot to pen you. Skip this one.
Sharon, that's within 1 hour. You got it. Let's go with the words. Just the fact that you're watching everything with your mind sight is an exercise in itself. As you see the word that somebody else is getting, you just kind of mouth it to yourself, say, yeah, I know that word, I'm going to say it. This helps to solidify the fact that we're trying to make your mind sight bigger. What word is in your screen, Artie?
Water,
That's
Water.
And Sharon, what about this word?
First, First.
Cat. Do you see a word in your screen?
Which, WHICH.
And Pam, what word is this?
E-S-H-E.
We're going to get the picture cards here. So just call out the letter, call out the word, and just describe the colors of the object. And we'll start with Artie on this one.
It's a U, umbrella, blue and white umbrella.
Now, what about Sharon? This might be a little harder, but there's the word. There's the object. And this could be a tough one.
It's like a red thing there. Oh, is it an igloo?
It is.
Oh, okay.
Very
like
good.
a red flag, but there's a round thing there. IGLOO.
That's correct. Well done on that. That's a hard one. It's hard to see that one. And Pat?
Is a B, B-E-E, and it's yellow and black.
And Pam? There's the word or words. There's
Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M.
Let's switch to intuitive. You can have your eyes open or closed because it's going to be a remote viewing that's not in the screen. Before we started at 6:53 my time, that's Eastern time, I took an object and I put it on the couch. The couch is kind of a greenish color, lighter green. I can see it over there on the couch. I see it in the picture. And it was at 6:53 I placed it there and took a picture of it. So come on to my house by remote viewing. Let's start describing some of the attributes of this object. Yes. Now, Artie, you have the basic shape of it, and you've got hard, and you've shown like a narrow, long, almost like a cylinder or something longer, and that's exactly right. You've nailed it, and it is hard. Now, Sharon, what did you have? The soft cloth. Okay, try again. Artie's got it. Now, you could say you've got one part of it. There's two parts of it, Artie, and you have the overall look roughly of it, or you can say you've got the one part if you really detail in on it. Pat, can you lift that up? Something mechanical. Yes, it is something you would use in a mechanical way. Absolutely. Sharon says black. Let me just take a close look at it and see. I'm going to give that to you. It's a dark blue, but it may look black in your remote viewing. So I'll give that to you, Sharon. What about the material? There's two materials involved here. What are they? Sharon says metal and plastic. Exactly. It is, Sharon. Well done. Pat says metal. One part of it is metal. Well done.
That's what I was going to say.
Okay. And you're going to say metal as well, Pam?
Metal and plastic.
What's the other color of the plastic? Part of the plastic is dark blue. What about the other color? Artie says white. Let me see if there's white on there. Yes, there is white in the writing. Okay, but what about the other main color of the plastic? Sharon says chroma clock.
I'm like silver.
Oh, chrome clock. Okay. Chrome is the color of one half of it because it's metal. So it's, a chrome color. Oh my goodness. It actually says the word chrome on it.
Does
Good.
it really?
Sharon,
All right.
very good. It does say the word chrome. That is
Wow.
fantastic. Well done on that. I want you to imagine going over to the couch, reaching for the middle of the cushion and grabbing the object and then dropping it. If it drops, would it hurt your toe? Would it bounce off? Would you yell when it hits your toe? Pretend you're doing it, and how do you react? Do you hear the object hit the floor? What does it sound like? Artie says screwdriver. Everybody lift their mask up and let me show you what it is.
It's
Oh
a
my goodness.
screwdriver.
There's the word
Wow.
chrome.
Good
Wow.
job, Artie.
Yeah,
Wow,
good
nice.
job.
Yay.
That's amazing.
And
Wow.
Sharon,
So
you
cool.
said chrome, and there's the word chrome.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Very good, Sharon.
Wow.
Yeah.
You blew it out of the park on that one, Sharon, because of all the words in the dictionary, you saw the word chrome and you got it. Well done. In this case, I've got the Nikolai card in the screen. It's the one with the open, square, triangle, circle, and then the plus. So there's 4 symbols at random all over the card. This one right here. So I'm zooming in on the screen, the fingers underneath it, zooming out. Okay, Pam's got it, well done. Sharon's got it, well done. Pat's got it, well done. And Artie, you got it, well done. Now in this case, I'm coming from the left-hand side and I'm pointing at 2 from the left. These 2 here, what are they? And move it closer to yourself, Pam, a little bit. Okay, that's it, you got it. Sharon got it, Pat got it. Artie's writing something down. That's it, well done. Now let's do a combo here. I'm going to take a colored cup and I'm going to put a colored dice inside. I'm going to raise it to your screen. So there's 2 parts to this, 3 actually. There's the colored cup, which you can see, but inside is a colored dice. So it's a combination of remote viewing and just using your real-time Mindsight. So you're overlapping the 2. It's good to do that from time to time. What is the color of the cup? What is the color of the dice? And how many dots are on top of it? Okay, Pat, you got the color of the cup. Try again on the color and the number. You're out by 1 on the number, by the way. Pam, you got the color of the cup. Try again on the dice. Do you have a number coming to you? Artie has got the color of the cup correct. Try again on the dice and the number. You are also out by 1, Artie. And Pat, lift it up a little higher. Yes, you got the color of the cup, you got the color of the dice, and you got the number. Well done. Sharon has the color of the cup. She has the color of the dice. And try again on the number there, Sharon. Pam, that is the color of the dice. Try again on the number. That is correct, Artie. That's the color of the cup, color of the dice, and that is the number. And that is the color of the dice. That is the number. We're going to pick 4 cards. We're going to pick the black puck with the red maple leaf on it. We're going to pick the green leaf. We've got the yellow van, so V for van. And for the 4th card, we're going to go with the moose, the brown moose. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shuffle the cards under the table, and without looking, I'm going to pick one. The others go on the floor. I'm going to stuff it in a cup, and I'm going to hold my hand over the cup, raise it to the screen. So I don't know what it is, but maybe you do. It's one of the 4 cards, and there's a colored cup. So what color is the cup, and which one of the 4 cards is it? We get 1 try on this. Pam says green leaf and yellow cup. Artie says blue cup and moose. Sharon says blue cup and van. Pat says blue cup and moose. Okay, everybody lift their mask up, and let's pull it up. And who said leaf?
I did.
Yay.
Oh, nice.
Yay.
Good
Well
job.
All right. Well done.
This one is going to be also intuitive. So close your eyes, and I'm going to take our color card with the colored words. The words say something different than the actual color. I'm going to point to a word and ask you to tell me the color of it. What color is this word right here with your intuition? I'm pointing up at it. Pam says yellow. Pat says yellow. What does Artie and Sharon say? This is our intuitive. Now, Sharon says blue. And Artie says green. Lift your mask up and take a look.
Oh my goodness.
Because Sharon, you said blue. That is how you spell it. And Artie, you did get the color. So let's both of you
Wow.
actually.
Yay.
So this one's going to be the opposite. I'm going to ask you which word it is. What is the word? And I'm holding it in your screen and I'm pointing up at it. So what is the actual word? So never mind the color. In this case, what is the word? This is intuitive. Okay, Pat, that is correct for the word. Pam, try one more time. Sharon, try one more time. Yes, that is the word, Artie. Well done. Artie's on fire here tonight.
Yay, Artie.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
That is the word. So Sharon says yellow. Pam says red. It's actually red is the color. Well done on that part, Pam, but it says green. You were seeing the color. Interesting. Okay, there it is right there if you lift your mask up.
Okay, yep.
You can see with the intuitive, it does its own thing. It'll tell you either the color or it'll tell you the word. Decide for yourself. Let's just go through the picture cards. I'll just hold them up and you describe what they are. Okay, this one's for Sharon. Remember this one from the last one?
Sneaker.
It is. You got it. Well done. Pat, what is this?
That is a canoe. Canoe.
Okay, what color is it?
Oh, it's red.
Pam, what is this one?
That's an ant, A-N-T.
Artie, what about this one?
That's acorn. ACORN.
This one's going to be an intuitive exercise. So everybody close their eyes, and I'm going to put up 2 cups in your screen. The choices are the turquoise blue, the red, the green, and the yellow. So the cups are now in your screen. There's a cup on the left side, a cup on the right. So you can even move your beam back and forth. And what colors come to you? You could sense them, you could see them with your intuitive mindsight, you could feel them. There's 2 different color cups. What are they? Okay, Pat's got it. We're only going to have 1 try this time. Okay, interesting, Sharon. It's the other 2. That's a trick of the mindsight. And Pam, the one on the right is correct. That's correct, Artie. You got it. So it's red and green. This again will be intuitive. Eyes closed. What color is the dice and what is the number on it? One of the 4 colors. It's green, red, blue, or yellow. That is the correct number, Pat. What is the color? Important to keep our intuitive mindsight going. It actually helps with our full-blown mindsight as well. Sharon got it exactly, and so did Artie. Pam, you got the color. You're off by 1 on the number. And Pat, try again on the color. You got the number. And Pam, yes, that's correct. Pat, you know what it is, right?
Yep.
It's the red 6. Well done. Let's go back to our regular mindsight, our full seeing the room mindsight. And these are going to be the addition cards. We'll start with Artie. Just call out the numbers and what they add up to.
8 plus 5, 13.
Sharon,
7 plus 3 is 10.
Pat,
8 plus 2 equals 10.
Pam,
2 plus 7 equals 9.
Artie, what have we got in the screen for dice?
Green 4.
And Sharon, what have we got for dice?
Red 3.
Yes. Pat, what have we got for the dice?
We have a yellow 5.
Yes, that's correct. And what about Pam?
Green 6.
Try again on the color.
Oh, blue 6.
It is. Well done. Blue and green are hard to tell the difference, aren't they?
Yeah.
Here's another one. We're going to go across the dice and call out the color and the number from left to right. And this will be for Artie.
Is green 4.
Yep.
And right is a yellow 5. And middle is a blue 6.
And what's the last one on your right?
Red 3.
Okay, Sharon.
Green 6. Blue 2. Yellow 6. Red 5.
Pat.
Green 3, blue 1, yellow 2, red 2.
Try again on the red.
Okay, 4 then. There we go. Yeah, 4.
Yep,
Red
get
4.
the 4. Yep, well done. And Pam, take your time.
Green 1.
Yes.
Can't really see them very well.
All right, I'll go really close on your screen. So you got the green one, there it is. There's
Okay.
the next one right there.
Oh, blue 4,
Try again, it's blue.
5.
Yep, and then
Okay.
this one
Yellow 1.
and this one.
I can't see that one. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's a red too. Your
Yeah.
mindsight said, well, that's it. We're done.
Yeah.
Especially when the windows are new like that, it's like any little thing can just like cause them to shut off. So I was thinking back about that and breathing, just stopping and just saying it doesn't matter. I just need to breathe. And,
Okay.
and that'll kind of bring them back online.
But let's try now to make your windows bigger.